गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। जैसे आप लोग को पता था, मैंने बोला था कि ट्राइका का बहुत सारा एक्सेसरीज लोडेड होने वाला है, उसके लिए हम लोग एक वीडियो बनाने वाले हैं। सो आज सैटरडे है और कल है संडे। कल मैं निकलने वाला हूँ ट्राइका का फर्स्ट लॉन्ग राइड पे। तो उससे पहले बहुत सारा इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सेसरीज ट्राइका पे लोडेड हुआ है। कुछ कंपनी फिटेड है, कुछ आफ्टर मार्केट ब्रांडेड एक्सेसरीज है। तो सारे कुछ चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। उससे पहले मैं ट्राइका का एक लुक अराउंड दिखाता हूँ, वॉक अराउंड हाउ इज लुकिंग। सो लेट मी शो यू। Let's start with the accessories details and all one by one. So पहले मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ इस लगेज से। So this is a top box of 35 liter which has a backlight option, जो आप लोग इसको backlight भी कर सकते हो और you can make it a brake light or make it indicator. There are two options. मैंने जो किया है ये पूरा रेड था, so it looks very bright. So to match with the bike, I've done smoke on it. And you have another light option over here, so you can add a light strip over here and you can do it indicator or brake light, whatever you want. So this top box is quite durable and quite heavy. I've used it before as well. ये पहले मेरा स्टेलर पे था, now I have reinstalled it back on Troika. So उसके बाद है ये कंपनी फिटेड रॉयल एनफील्ड के पैनियर्स विच लुक्स रियली गुड, और बाइक्स का पूरा कंप्लीट लुक ही गेट ओवर चेंज कर देता है। एंड दिस टू पैनियर्स आर अराउंड 40 और 38 लीटर। एक पैनियर सब पे 18 से 20 लीटर का कैपेसिटी है। आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट। ये हो गया। उसके बाद आता है दिस इज रॉयल एनफील्ड कंपनी फिटेड backrest, and this is Royal Enfield company fitted touring seat. पहले स्टॉक में इसके साथ आता है split seat, which is okay for the city rides, but is not comfortable. That is not comfortable for the long trips. But this touring seat is really comfortable, and it give you a proper grip while for the rider as well as for the pillion. अच्छा, ये है आपका जो मैं मिस आउट कर गया। This is the top rack for Super Meteor, ठीक है। So this is very much compatible for, and it also gives the compatible looks with the bike. उसके बाद जो है आपका this company fitted leg guard of Royal Enfield. Then ये जो है this is the bottle holder. ये आफ्टर मार्केट मैंने लिया है। This is good for at least maximum you can it holds up to 1 liter water bottle. Then we have this HJG fog light. ये yellow lens लगा हुआ है। If you remove this lens, it will become white. So whatever which one you want, you can do it as your choice. And it has 3 pattern option. One is normal, one is flasher, and there's another flasher. And each light is 70 watt. So दो लाइट मिला के टोटल 140 watt. It gives enough light in the dark roads. So काफी है। And ये clamps के साथ आता है, and it also comes with the harness. और उसके बाद मैंने जो लगाया है, because इसका स्टॉक हॉर्न जो है is very low, so मैंने जो लगाया है ये आफ्टर मार्केट के शार्क हॉर्न्स। और इसके कोई बैटरी पे प्रॉब्लम और प्रेशर ना हो, उसके लिए मैंने कस्टम फ्यूज एंड कस्टम हार्नेस बनाया है। सो अभी तक तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ नहीं है। Then we have company fitted sun guard, which is very needed and very helpful because this bike ground clearance is very low. Here we have the again the company fitted by Royal Enfield touring windshield. फिर ये windshield जो है is very much helpful in the highways क्योंकि जब whenever you are riding the bike above 100, so जो wind blast होता है उससे is quite helpful during the wind blast. So after the windshield installation, I have gone one or two highway rides, so I didn't face any wind as well. And also it helps me my audio system क्योंकि पहले without windshield में audio system में क्या होता था, due to the wind blast I was not able to hear the audio, or my pillion couldn't hear the audio properly. But after the windshield installation, the audio is too clear. So ये हो गया. Then we have, okay, now I'll move toward the dashboard or the cockpit view. Okay, what we have over here, we have aftermarket, it's a USA brand GoHawk audio system. It's comes with inbuilt amplifier. It's completely IP68 waterproof as well as dust proof, and 600 watt is quite enough and quite loud, and the sound is quite clear and decent sound, and it comes with 1 year international warranty, and it has the remote controller, and these audio systems and whatever the accessories I've installed, कोई भी इसमें से punching system नहीं है, all are plug and play. So this audio system also come with plug and play, and the positive part, इसके कोई भी चीज आपका डैमेज होता है या खराब होता है, each and every single part is available. So सपोज इसके ये नेट खराब हो जाता है, इसके लिए आप पूरा स्पीकर को फेंकना कोई जरूरत नहीं है. These everything are available. Like even if the remote controller get damaged, it's available. Even if it has a aux unit, it has a USB unit over here, so everything's available. So ये controller से इससे power button है, then it has the play and pause option, then play, previous, next and previous, and the sound volume rocker up and down, and this option changes the power source as well, Bluetooth, aux and USB. So this is very much needed in the long trips, in the cruising time. So infotainment is very much needed. Then we have this very important, this CarPlay. It is really useful and really value for money because इसमें आपके Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as DVR option, where you can check this is the rear camera, and it also records the sound while you are riding, and it has front camera as well, so both are 1080 pixel recording quality. So ये हो गया. Then it has other apps, and it has most benefit, it has dual Bluetooth, so you can connect with your audio speaker as well as with my phone. If you don't have a speaker, if you have a Bluetooth intercom, so you can connect with the Bluetooth intercom and as well as phone. So while you are riding, if you receive any call, it can you can receive the call from over here, and you can talk with over your intercom. So this is very useful, and it has the Android Auto, where you can check your navigations, everything. So I'll try to connect. Here it goes. So it's showing the map. Okay. It has the YouTube Music. Then it has Spotify. It has WhatsApp. You can check your WhatsApp messages, and it has also has the option, if while you are riding, play as loud. So if some important messages is there, it will play the messages, and it also show you the network as well as your battery percentage and everything. So you can also go to phone option, you can call up whomever you want. So this is very much useful, and it is also IP68, so completely waterproof and dust proof. It also comes with 1 year international warranty. This also has a very important feature, that is TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. So बहुत ही मतलब क्या बोलूँ, वैल्यू फॉर मनी एक्सेसरीज ये है. सो इफ़ यू आर गोइंग फॉर लॉन्ग ट्रिप्स, दिस इज़ वेरी मच यूजफुल, क्योंकि आप मोबाइल लगा के होल्डर पे, पहला बात फ़ोन गर्म हो जाता है, ऊपर से डे टाइम, एंड इवन इफ द बैटरी गोज आउट विल बी प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. गिर जाने का चांस रहता है, या बारिश में भीग जाने का चांस रहता है. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. दिस इज कम्प्लीटली कनेक्टेड विद योर बाइक. दिस इज ऑल्सो प्लग एंड प्ले ऑप्शन, सो नो इश्यू विद दैट. हो गया. देन वी हैव yes, this bike got completely laminated, so I don't have to worry about the scratches or any kind of paint damage and all. And here we have the flagpole. So I'm going to install a group flag over here, and this top box come with another backrest, but after my this ride, what I will do, I'll do some modification, customization of this backrest. This is openable. There are some screws. I'll take it out and I'll make it a little wider and thicker, so that it matches with this one, so that whoever is sitting in the pillion will get a proper grip over here. So I'll do it later on. I've done all the accessories. I have shown you everything. Okay, I missed out. I've missed out to show you the camera. Let me show you that. So this is the front camera which is installed over here, and here we have the rear camera. So both the camera are placed in a very safe position, and there are two options. Either you can stick with the screw mounting system, or you can mount with your 3M tape, but I think 3M tape is quite risky. If it opens anywhere, it will be hanging and you need to stuck here and there. So I've done proper mount with the screws, so that it will be staying properly. So guys, if you have liked the video, and if you have any questions regarding the accessories and all, please do comment in the video section. And in the next video after the ride, I'll do a separate video of the audio's sound quality and all, and more detailed video about the CarPlay. So please do follow. If you like the video, do share and do comments. Thank you. Bye.